Don't worry about the wasted time. Let's waste some time together. Don't linger on the wasted time. Don't waste your time no more. Don't worry about the wasted time. Let's waste some time together.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Middle and West Brabant Emergency Management Division. At 3:12 a.m., reports came in about a large industrial fire that has just broken out near the Croydon industrial area a few miles north of the Tilburg city center. A large plume of smoke is also being generated with this fire. All residents receiving this message are advised to lock all windows and doors if you experience nuisance from the smoke or the fire. Stay tuned to local media outlets for more updates as they become available.
Air quality alert for Tilburg Reach and surrounding areas. Until further notice. At the request of the Tilburg Police Department and the Middle and West Brabant Emergency Management. Due to the ongoing industrial fire near the city of Tilburg, the air quality in, especially, the Tilburg Reach area has worsened dramatically, and reports of small grime pieces have been reported in the direct areas of the fire. All residents who are receiving this message are advised to not enter the Craven industrial area at this time. If you, or a loved one experiences minor symptoms from the fire, close and lock all windows and doors until further notice, and call your doctor if necessary. Stay tuned to local media outlets for more information.
An administrative message from the Middle and West Brabant Emergency Management. The industrial fire that started at 3:12 a.m. last night has been extinguished. However, the threat of small grime pieces in the surrounding communities is still present. It is now safe to leave your shelters. Thank you for your cooperation during this emergency.